The English alphabet consists of 26 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Each letter has its own distinct pronunciation. For instance, A is pronounced like I as in day, B is pronounced like B in B, C is pronounced like C, but can also have a hard sound as in cat or a soft sound as in city. D is pronounced like D as in deep, E is pronounced like E as in C. The pronunciation of other letters follows a similar pattern. F is yef as in effect, G is G as in geese, H is H as in hat, and so forth. To aid in the mastery of these pronunciations, engaging in educational activities can be beneficial. Pronunciation games allow learners to listen and repeat the letters using apps available on smartphones. Audiobooks that include the alphabet can also provide helpful repetition and audio context. Additionally, many educational songs are designed to teach the letters and their pronunciations in a fun and memorable way. Through these interactive activities, learners can become more confident and proficient in pronouncing English letters correctly.